crosser, add in almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and then some dates. You're also going to add in some vanilla extract and water. And then you're just going to blend that for 2 to 3 minutes or until a soft dough is formed. Once the dough is ready, you're just going to transfer that into a medium-sized bowl, and then you're going to add in your chocolate chunks or chips, and then stir that in together until it's well combined. And getting out a baking dish, you're just going to add in the dough. And then using your fingers, you're just going to press the dough in until it is nice and packed and evenly coated in the dish. And then you're going to bake that at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are slightly browned. Then taking a heart-shaped cookie cutter, you're just going to press that in to the dough and then continue that until you have about 6. And make sure this is completely cooled before doing this step. Otherwise, you're going to have some crumbly cookies on your hand.